Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Cheraye. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. On today's video, guys, I'm just going to be sharing with you really quickly, like 2.5 seconds, this little bag I got here from Gucci. I recently went into Gucci. My SA is leaving, so she was like, you gotta come in, you gotta come in. So when I came in, I didn't know that they launched a new collection, and it was their lipstick collection. Apparently Gucci carried makeup back in the day. I had no idea. So they do carry lipstick now, and she did tell me that they will be coming out with a full makeup line towards the end of the year. So that's something, and I guess it's gonna be by Alejandro. Okay, you know I can make up somebody's name, but it's gonna be by the creator director. So this is what I picked up. I wanted to get something because I love this packaging. I think it's super cute. It screams spring and it screams summer. So I just picked up whatever. I'm in the same attire. Okay, your mind is not playing tricks on you, and you are not seeing double. I had to cut that other video out. I just finished doing the Louis Vuitton unboxing. I don't know if you guys watched that video. If not, I'm gonna put a clip in here. Watch that. It was a really nice, fun video. I had so much fun. I forgot to tell you guys everything in that video, all the facts and details, but I will be back with a review and everything like that because I was just so excited, and when I get excited, it's hard for me to focus and hard for me to think, and I was just like, oh my god. But anyway, so this is a cute little packaging. I don't know how you guys are, but I love a good packaging. You know what I mean? I'm such here for good packaging, and I love it. So I was really sad that she was leaving, but you know, she's moving on. So she did introduce me to somebody new there at Gucci. I haven't been really into Gucci right now, you know what I mean? They don't have anything on the radar on my wish list right now that I'm looking for, but I did want to get this cute little lipstick. So it comes like this, the packaging looks like this, super cute. I know I'm gonna find some place in my closet to put this, and it just looks like that. And if you look on my Instagram, I put a little cute picture of the collection and how the lipsticks looked and how they were and everything. It was really cute. I went with something very simple. I just wanted the packaging. It was super cute. They have a very flower one. I didn't like that. They had an all gold one, which would have been cute, but I wanted a little bit of color in my bag. So I thought that this one would be cute. And then over here, it just says Gucci there, and then on the other side, if you look here, it's gold, and then it's like a mint blue. It's the same color as my closet. It's like a Tiffany blue type color, so I thought that was super cute. What color did I go with? I went with clear. I just went with the balm, okay, because my lips need more moisturizing and hydration than they do anything else. So that's what I went with. This is a public service announcement. Just came on really quickly, you guys. Just popped on to let you know about Gucci's new lipstick brand that they came out with, and that they will be launching a complete makeup line towards the end of the year. So that should be interesting. I don't know if I've ever, like I said, I never even known that Gucci carried makeup, so that will be good to know that they're coming out with a cosmetic line. And that's all I have for you. I didn't want the other video to be so long, so I thought I'd just make 2 videos. Those that were interested could watch it. If you're not, you don't have to. If this was your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love to have you join the team. If you like what you see, which I hope you did, give it a please, a huge thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified every single time a video is placed on this channel, ensure you hit the notification bell, and it will let you know every single time a video is placed on this channel. Okay, until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.